really frustrating, but this is something that I actually want in my life. Their chemistry is absolutely mature.
Yeah.
That helplessness, that feel of helplessness is so bad. It is irritating है. 2 गाना 4 फाइट ऐसे कौन सी फिल्म बनती है? मुझे नहीं लगता. And that's one of the reasons maybe why people are not attracted to certain kind of cinema. One anecdote is that he used to be a Pelwan. Just go and ask question if you are not comfortable with something.
Hi guys, welcome to Fever FM. बुलंद तो ये है और इनकी कला है. प्रतीक गांधी, welcome once again to Fever FM.
Thank you, Stuti. Thank you very much.
Listen, you're looking very nice. I love what you're wearing.
Thank
okay,
you.
and your mood, ये आपकी है homegrown.
Yes, homegrown private personalist.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. इस पोस्टर में भी आप मुझ के साथ, but this I'm guessing is for some other.
Yeah, this is something else that I'm already shooting right.
Very cool. Particularly as an actor, do you feel helpless? आपको क्या लगता है? मतलब जब ऐसी controversy फिल्म के अराउंड होती है, कुछ लोग होते हो कहते हैं अरे कोई बात नहीं, बदनामी में भी नाम है, it might help the film because there's buzz around it. But what do you feel?
It is really frustrating, you know, especially for the actors, makers, directors, and writers, because you have made something.
And you want it to.
You
reach
want
people.
it to reach people. So now, even if I,
और
you
इसका
know,
सिर्फ अच्छा, I think असर ही होगा society
Yeah.
with what is.
even if I get frustrated, I get angry to respond to somebody who's just said something very bizarre and illogical, I can't. This might affect the film, and it's not only my film.
Correct.
It's the whole team, their effort, their money, their time, their dreams, everything is invested. So I can't just put the film to jeopardy just because of I want to, you know, make a statement, I want to say something. That helplessness, that feel of helplessness is so bad. It is irritating. यार. Suddenly you feel that are you driven by fear? Are you fearing something? मतलब आपको डर लग रहा है क्या इतना?
Correct.
I don't know. What
But
to-
it's a sense of responsibility.
हाँ.
Because people should understand कि collective पूरा it takes a village to make a film. to
It's not easy यार.
make
It's
sure
ये
it
कोई
reaches
आसान
them.
काम नहीं है, and especially for independent producers to put a film like this first of all.
But back of the mind, आपको पता था थोड़ी controversy भी हो सकती है. This controversy has come to you as a surprise, or you kind of were expecting it?
This was absolutely a surprise to me, because this is the history that we all have studied, we all have learned. I mean, how can you deny something which has already happened? And I'm sure it's not putting anybody in bad light right now, because those people have
We're
lived,
just talking
they are
about the
done.
social realities
Yeah,
of the
social
time,
reality.
yeah.
Till today, we are talking about Beti Padhao.
No, the fights are the same.
The fights are same.
Yeah.
It is still on. So nobody with 100% confidence can say that all these things are things of past.
Yeah.
Nothing exists anymore. ऐसा भी नहीं है. Even caste discrimination.
Yeah.
Discrimination on the basis of religion.
Correct.
It is there world over.
Yeah.
There is no denying of the fact. This was absolutely a surprise that what suddenly happened. I mean, whom did we hurt?
Yeah, it वो उल्टा ही हो गया.
हाँ,
कि
कुछ
इसमें
समझा
क्या
ही नहीं कि
निकला?
इसमें क्या हर्ट हुआ कोई.
आपको क्या लगता है जब शाम को चाय की चुस्की लेते हैं और बातें करते हैं, आप वरी करते हैं अबाउट दिस? किस तरह की फिल्में इवेंचुअली चलेंगी या ये क्या हो रहा है बिजनेस के साथ?
मेरा तो with whatever my limited experience and understanding, I think that people are still not understanding that there is no formula. So
वो
why-
फॉर्मूला अभी भी कॉन्स्टेंटली.
अगर चाय की चुस्की पे अभी भी आप फॉर्मूला ही ढूंढ रहे हो तो समथिंग इज रियली रॉन्ग विद बेसिक्स. You are in the field of experiments. There are no formulas. Once your film will work, you will derive formula out of it.
Correct.
But you can't design a film out of formula, right? 2 गाना 4 फाइट ऐसे कौन सी फिल्म बनती है? मुझे नहीं लगता. And that's one of the reasons maybe why people are not attracted to certain kind of cinemas anymore.
When you get offered a character like this, real life story है, somebody जिन्होंने इतना amazing काम किया, as an actor थोड़ा nervousness होता है because there's a lot of responsibility with everything that you do.
I had no picture or photograph in my mind about him, because whatever that we see around, at least महाराष्ट्र में हर जगह पर जो दिखता है वो भी उनका फोटोग्राफ नहीं, वो पेंटिंग है. इट्स अ
Right.
स्केच
Yeah.
मोर और लेस
Yeah.
दैट वी सी. प्राइमरी या सेकेंडरी स्कूल में पढ़ा था मैंने इनके बारे में, तब स्केच तो नहीं देखा था. आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग दैट, द स्क्रिप्ट गेव मी ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई एक्चुअली वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड something more about the personality as a person, as a human, so that whenever I portray that, whenever, you know, even if I'm not saying a dialogue, one should always feel that it's still, you know, it's Jyotiba Phule that they are
Yeah.
seeing, thinking. So one anecdote is that he used to be a पहलवान. ज्योतिबा फूले बहुत
अच्छा.
पहलवानी करते थे, अखाड़े में जाते थे, तो चाहे तो 8-10 लोगों को पटक सकते थे, उतना वो रखते थे. So then I actually started thinking that a person who was this strong physically, his mental strength must be at another
Yeah.
level. And even after being so fit physically,
उन्होंने उसका इस्तेमाल नहीं किया.
so his idea was
Of
always
strength is something.
yeah, strength is something. And that was fascinating.
तो इसके लिए कोई ऑडिशन, कोई लुक टेस्ट कुछ नहीं. He knew that you are his ज्योतिबा.
Yes, he said that I think you do it.
Nice.
He, of course, he watched my play Mohan Ka Masala.
Yeah.
You know, I wear turban in that play, and when I was on stage, he was there in audience. After the show, he said that I actually saw Jyotiba Phule on stage today.
So cool.
He said, "This is it. We are doing it." That gave me a lot of confidence. First of all, he thought about me, but he was so confident that I'll pull it off. That actually gave a lot of confidence to me.
Pratik, I've interviewed you for so many projects of yours, couple of years. You were the gift of COVID, as they say. बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो अच्छी memories जिनके साथ हम associate करते हैं उस period की, वो आप थे. एक तरफ आपको इतनी appreciation मिली, fame मिला, media wants you, everybody wanted to interview you. But there's also this chatter, and I don't know if it ever reached you, कि इतना मिल गया ना, अब he might be one show wonder or one film wonder. Was that fear that you ever had? Because how did you, मतलब वो डर कहीं था, लोग ये बोल रहे थे कि ये तो आ गया ठीक है, you know, dark horse.
I had that concern in mind, and it is, I guess, it is very obvious for them to think, देखते हैं आगे क्या हो. Because as an actor, I constantly have to check my own self. What was it? Was it me? Was it something else? As I said in couple of interviews also, like every clap that you receive, you are not supposed to take everything home. उसमें से भी कुछ छान के पता चलता है कि यार ये किस चीज के लिए ताली बजाई मुझे पता. ये शायद मेरे लिए जो था, जो परफॉर्मेंस के लिए था, वो शायद इसमें से 10% ही होगा. But that I know already.
You're still so grounded. Otherwise, very tough to have this level of self-awareness. स्टार को तो लगता है कि कहीं भी ताली बजे मेरे लिए बज रही है.
नहीं, वो बहुत ही मतलब बहुत बड़ा pitfall है वो, I guess, because that can actually, you know, put you off immediately. You can become a loose cannon. The other part is that I always wanted to present another bucket to the audience before they put me in one bucket.
Yeah. And I know लोग कहते हैं कि लोगों के पीठ पीछे बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. आपके पीछे पोस्टर में सावित्रीबाई फुले हैं, वो है नहीं यहाँ पे. वो कहते हैं ना, सुर सेम मैच होना जरूरी है. तो आप लोगों ने कितना रिहर्सल करा? Did you do it or did you hit the floor running? Like how did this?
No, we rehearsed.
Because trailer में तो मुझे बहुत amazing लग रहे हैं आप दोनों.
We rehearsed, and it is not a, you know, a typical chemistry that we talk about when we talk about couple in the film. Their chemistry is absolutely mature.
Yeah, it's at a very platonic level.
Very platonic level, and even after the fact that they got married when they both were there in teens.
Yeah.
Right. Savitribai Phule was 13, and I guess Jyotiba was 18 or something. That's when they got married. And then the way they led their life, they were more of friends, more of support to each other. So Jyotiba Phule guided her, educated her, and made her first female teacher of India. So I guess this kind of chemistry was very unique that I was playing for the first time.
Yeah.
You know,
Pratik, you're already a green flag when you play a character like this, which is so amazing. वो कौन सी एक उनकी क्वालिटी है जो आपको लगता है अब आपके साथ रह गई? It's become you, part of you now.
जो मेरे साथ रह गई है, या I am still trying very hard to, you know, cultivate in me, is that fearlessness.
Yeah.
Just go and ask question if you are not comfortable with something. It's your right. And you are not supposed to be afraid of anything.
That is so cool. Thank you so much for this conversation.
Thank you.
All the best for this film. The trailer looks amazing.
Thank you. I hope you like the film too.